Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're about to get the Tether Wi-Fi router online. Start now by inserting the SIM and battery, then power it on. Once the LED indicates boot, connect your laptop or phone to the router's default SSID. Open the router's web admin address or companion app. Log in with the printed default credentials. You need the APN from your carrier. Enter it if the router doesn't auto-configure. Make sure you stay connected to the router, because every following change depends on that active link. Now configure the network so your tether is secure and reliable. You should change the SSID and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. Once done, change the admin password to prevent unauthorized access. Make sure the APN matches your carrier settings. Incorrect APN prevents internet. Adjust DHCP range so it doesn't clash with other networks and enable automatic firmware updates. If you need remote services, set port forwarding and confirm NAT type. This step prevents surprises when using gaming or VPNs. Finish by verifying connectivity. Browse, run a speed test, and test on 2 different devices to confirm stability. After major changes, reboot the router to apply all settings and confirm performance remains consistent. If you encounter issues, check SIM seeding and carrier activation, re-enter the APN precisely, and inspect signal strength. Move the router to a window if needed. If problems persist, update firmware and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Keep your new admin password handy so you don't lose access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.